Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I have something very exciting for you. I have a review, first impressions of the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Iconic palette. Before we go into the video, again, my name is Jacqueline. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and let's jump into the content. So in today's video, like I said, I had purchased Charlotte Tilbury Iconic palette, and I actually picked it up from Sephora online. I actually had swatched it and played a little bit with it. Unfortunately, when I was actually recording a video with an eye look with this palette, I didn't have my microphone well connected, so all the audio was lost. But anyhow, let me just talk to you a little bit about this palette. This palette comes with 12 eyeshadows, which are gorgeous. Look at that. This is just beautiful, a beautiful palette. And Charlotte Tilbury has, she actually has made something very important. I think makeup artists that think a little extra for their clients. I just think it's so precious. What I like about this palette is that Charlotte had placed her eyeshadows, and I'm covering right now with the top so you don't get blinded by the mirror. But actually, she has placed them in columns so you can have different looks. So this column right here is the day eyes. This column right here is for the date eyes. These are the diva eye look and then the disco eye look. So this is really nice because it makes it very friendly for people like me that we are not makeup artists and maybe we don't know like where to start or we're not too adventurous. So I think that makes it so nice. Now this palette is limited edition, and I'm so sad that it's limited edition because I think it's a great palette for you know, that Charlotte can get new clients trying this palette. The pricing is up high, is $65. But think about if you had been eyeing, like this is my first palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and I had been buying her quads. Her quads are $53, so for $12 more, you're paying like for one quad and getting two other quads type of thing. Hopefully it makes sense. But I think the price, I mean, quote unquote, is great for the brand, for Charlotte Tilbury. And it is the way that it's laid out. I think she came out with another palette last year that it was also limited edition. I think it was during the holidays. I didn't grab it because it was a lot of neutrals and then some pinky tones, that all of those are colors that I like. But when I saw this palette, it's like, wow, this is really the perfect palette to grab because you don't only have those neutral colors, golds, these beautiful yellow gold right here, some browns, and then these beautiful like blue color, the black. I mean, you have more to play with. So I wish it wasn't limited edition, but it is. With this palette, I created this eye look that we will jump into for a little bit of a tutorial review, first impression type of thing. Look at this beautiful blue. Look at that. It's just so gorgeous. And then this green right here is just out of this world. Let me just swatch it for you right here. I'm going to insert a full-on swatch photo, but the colors are just to die for. Then this yellow, it's kind of like a gold but very yellowy tone. Like it's just so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. The formula of these eyeshadows are very creamy. In fact, the ones that they are matte, they are just silky, so silky. For my eyeshadow look, you will see I actually used the Huda Beauty concealer, set my eyes with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish radiant powder, not radiant, sorry, micro powder, and yet it was so easy to blend. enjoy that. Let's dive in, and I will just take you to the eye look that I actually created with this eyeshadow palette. So let's start with the eye look. The colors right here are beautiful. I actually have swatched already this beautiful palette. I'm gonna do something very simple right now. I think I'm gonna use day look. I'm gonna do something simple, the day look. So the first row right here. To start with, I'm just gonna use on the outer corner that smoke fumes. I'm just gonna use this Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just gonna start with a darker color, and I'm just gonna place it on. It picks up a lot of shadow. I'm just gonna place it on the outer, and I'm just going slightly and so gentle. From the day look, this is, to me, has more of like a red and pink or like burgundy pigmentation. It is pretty. It is pretty. It is really pretty. I'm just gonna take the same brush and kind of like do this motion right here, wiper motion from side to side. I don't know if I mentioned, but I had put some of my concealer, the Huda Beauty creamy concealer, all over my lid, and then I set it with this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder, micro powder in shade 2. That's all what I did. So I didn't prime with any specific primer. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and use this Sigma E45 blending brush, and I'm gonna use the middle shade number 2 on the day column, and I'm gonna apply it right here. Very romantic, I will say. All right, and then I'm gonna go with this top shade, and I'm gonna apply it with my finger. Very creamy, soft to touch. One swipe, look at that. I'm just gonna apply it. You know what? I'm gonna do the same thing with that middle shade on the first column of the palette. I mean, it's the first column. It's just you're looking at it like this right now. I don't want you to get blind with the mirror. But I'm getting this middle one again, but this time with my finger, and I'm just gonna apply it right in the middle because it seems like it gets lost with the brush application. I'm gonna grab like a clean brush. This is the Morphe E27, and I'm just gonna blend in the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and get a pencil brush. This is by Alamar Cosmetics from the Ojitos line, and I'm just gonna grab the darkest color right here on the first column of the palette. Again, I'm just using all what is in the day look. I'm gonna grab this Morphe M213 brush. It's very tiny, and I'm gonna grab this light shade right here on the first column, and I'm just gonna apply it on my inner corner, and then on the bottom just a little. For my waterline, I'm just gonna use this Endless Silky Eye Pen by Pixie Petra, and it's the color Copper Glow. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use this Milk Kush mascara. This is a travel size. I really like this mascara, it's really good. My lower lashes, I'm gonna use this Lash Discovery Maybelline Mini Brush Waterproof. This is a really good one for the lower lashes because look at the brush. It's very thin. It's really easy to get in there and work your lashes. For my lips, I'm gonna go with this 24/7 Glide On Lip Pencil by Urban Decay in the color Rush. It's a beautiful color. It actually has some little particles, kind of like glitter, but it's not really glittery. Overline my lips ever so slightly, not much. And then I'm gonna complete that look with this Bond Girl, Charlotte Tilbury Bond Girl Bullet Lipstick. It's a beautiful color. Some mauvey pinky tone, really pretty. I think that the eye look turned out really well. So final thoughts about the iconic palette by Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's a great palette. It's a beautiful palette. The price, I know it's steep, $65. It's a steep price for a palette, but thinking about the quality, the special formulation that Charlotte Tilbury has is different from formulations from other brands. It's super creamy. Each eyeshadow is super creamy. I know some people, they don't like to apply their eyeshadows with the fingers. They want to do it with brushes. It applies really well with brushes. You will have just a little bit more sheer application, not as, like packed. Again, well, depending also on the quality of the brush that you're using. I think it's a little bit more versatile. It had some nudes and then gold, copper. This one has the gold, copper, a little bit of reddish tones, pinky, like even like that, this yellow, very yellow gold color right here. I don't know if my camera is speaking. I just think it's different enough that it's a good way to try this palette. So if I will say go around and buy it, if it's your first time, I will say maybe give it a shot. I think it's really good. I don't regret it. In fact, I'm gonna use it very often because I really love the application, how soft, and easy, soft shadows, easy to blend. Just what I look for eyeshadows, because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't want to be, I have children and I don't have time to, be there blending and blending and blending. I'm like, it can be a little bit too much on a daily basis, but this one is really easy to work with. So I will say yes, go ahead, give it a try. I think you're gonna like it. I personally like it from a consumer point of view. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to hear your comments. If you have bought this palette, what do you think? Do you like it? You don't like it? Maybe so in the fence. Just let me know. Comment down below. I would love to have this one-to-one conversation with you. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And until the next time, have a wonderful, blessed day. Thank you so much for being here. Goodbye. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. For 20, sorry.